Yeah, I'm saying we got a serious storm coming in. Today's date, July 14th, 2023. Very dark up there in the north, and this storm all the way from southwest Nebraska, coming down through Kansas into central Kansas, now entering into Oklahoma, you know, with anywhere from 60 to 80 mile per hour thunderstorm warnings on it pretty much all the way, it looked like. And going that far, that's getting on up toward 250 miles with at least, you know, 60 plus mile an hour wind. And it wouldn't surprise me if this doesn't classify as a derecho. Because you know a derecho needs to have at least 58 mile an hour plus winds officially, and track with those kind of winds, 58 or higher, 250 miles or more. And you know the windstorm needs to track like that to be officially a derecho, I think is a classification. But this thing here, if it's not a derecho, it's getting mighty close to it. Yep, I'm on a little bit of a hill and you can see the shelf cloud. The air is so oppressive today. I went home about 30 minutes ago and prepared me a little bit to eat, and the air was so oppressive outside you couldn't even get your breath, and it was 94 degrees and the sun hadn't been out in a while, and the dew point is so oppressive, I mean you can hardly even get your breath, it's so hot and humid. And I'm saying this thing, if it's not a derecho, it'll sure be close to it. Every warning that I saw on it that was coming into here was 60 to 70 mile an hour wind according to the National Weather Service. That's what tags they had on it. And the storms, you know, were moving. Some of the storms, when I was looking at it, it had tags on them. They were moving southeast at up to 70 miles an hour. The storm was moving that fast. And a lot of them were moving 50 to 60 miles an hour to the east and the southeast. And you get that kind of forward speed, I mean, you can expect some real high wind with that stuff. Now I'm gonna zoom it in, and there's the shelf cloud for you. Not a real fancy shelf cloud like some of them, but it's definitely there. And this is in northern Oklahoma, north of Tulsa. We're in a level 3 risk of severe weather. By the National Weather Service, we were in an enhanced risk, but... And the sky, I time-lapsed on my other channel, I time-lapsed these thunderstorms. They were coming in during the early part of the day. A portion of them, and the sky was real weird colors. You know, back up there in the anvils and stuff, and I was saying that too. Yeah, this morning, early, 2 o'clock in the morning, we had storms that had up to 60 mile an hour wind gusts in those this morning. And between the two storms put together, we had 3 to 5 inches of rain in this area. And the second storm had gusts 40 to 50 with maybe a gust or two up to 60 miles an hour, the second storm at daybreak. And right now it's about a little after 6 p.m. Central Time, and we got a third storm coming in, so I'm on a pause, and when it gets a little closer, we'll start recording. Yeah, I heard thunder. That's how dark it is off to the northeast. Pretty dark. I'm gonna hold this radar up and maybe you can see it. Maybe. I can't see what I'm doing. If you can see that, that's what we got coming, but I think it's too blurry. Alright, focused. There we go. Maybe yeah, it'll focus, but it ain't gonna do it. I don't have a hand. Yeah, it's too bad it won't focus and get that radar for you, but that's what we got coming. Yeah, I just don't have a hand for it. Here you go, I finally got it to focus. It's right on top of us. That's warned for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts for this area. 70 miles per hour, what the National Weather Service has. Man, that's black. It wouldn't surprise me if they classified this as a derecho as far as its went. Here's that shelf cloud, northeast. I'm facing northwest, west. Try to pan this and get it all in the shot. That is some wicked stuff there now. It is coming fast too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this, I'm saying as far as this is tracked, I'm saying they'll probably classify that as a derecho, you know, having 70 to 80 mile an hour winds, you know, common. 70 the most common. Man, that is wicked. Green back in there. Maybe it'll pick it up. And lightning. There's something there kind of trying to reach down out of that thing, it looks like. Look back there, that's bad looking. Yeah, I know something is fixing to happen. I mean, just look how wicked that is. That is unreal. Maybe if I zoom it out, you can see yeah, you can see the turquoise color back in there. It's starting to get a little windy. Look how fast that cloud's moving. Thank God it's still enough. Here it comes. even hear me. Real green back up in there, real green. Look at that. That's crazy stuff there. Yeah, it started raining some. Yep, here it comes. I mean, the heavy rain and stuff. There it goes. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I will try to hold that still. See that going sideways over there? Yeah, you can see the sheets of rain going sideways. Yeah, this thing is rocking the truck a little bit. About like going through the car wash here. I'd say we got at least 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds outside. Saying they may lose power on this mess. They may lose power, I don't know. Can't even see it over there now hardly. Look over there now. Can't hardly see nothing over there now. I mean, this is just like going through a car wash. Look at the windshield. About like going through the car wash. Yeah, there ain't no way I'm going anywhere in this. Look over now, you can't see it at all. Yeah, if there is any damage happening, it's so rainy, you can't see nothing. Yeah, it let up a little bit. I mean, we had some serious rain. I mean, right quick. Quickest way to get the water off of it. Yeah, I bet we got at least 50-mile-an-hour wind again, maybe 60. It's shaking me, it's rocking me. Yeah, look at them trees over there, them little 4 trees rocking. That's crazy. Yeah, I know we got at least 50, 60 mile an hour wind going on right now. Rocked me pretty hard then. Yeah, you saw it shake me a little bit. I don't know if it tore up anything or not, but I know it got real windy. Get another real big gust over there. That line whipping. I would say this had at least 60 mile an hour wind in it probably. Oh man, that rocked me. Yeah, I'm saying that rocked me like crazy. Zoom out on that, see it. Man, yeah, that is really getting strong here now. Yeah, I would say this is like Derecho type stuff. I mean, them trees are bending over there now. Yeah, this is insane here. You can see a blur of the tree. It has not gone down beside me there yet. Yeah, that's a soccer goal net there. Wow, I mean, that is some big gusts. I'm surprised the power has not gone out. Wow, that was a big gust. This stuff, look at how hard it's going now. How hard that's blowing down there, man. This may roll me, I don't know, this is picking up more. I felt the truck kind of heave up off the ground just a little bit. Yeah, it got some more water on it. That didn't quite get it. It's raining so much, there ain't much you can do. I'm gonna cut this video here. This is over 30 minutes now. I'm gonna cut this, and if it gets any crazier, I'm gonna start recording another one.